Sheriyah is a Sudanese sweet fried vermicelli dish, usually served as a dessert or as part of a breakfast menu. Growing up, we also had it for lunch. Greetings everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're stopping by for the very first time, you're most welcome to our channel. The ingredients for this recipe are pasta, salt, sugar, and cooking oil. This recipe is one of the simplest and quickest ways to make it. I heat some oil and add the pasta. I toast it until it's slightly golden. To ensure that the pasta doesn't burn, stir continuously while toasting it. The secret to authentic Sudanese Sheriyah lies in this precise browning process before drenching the strands of pasta with milk or water. Within seconds, the kitchen is filled with a warm, comforting aroma. Once I achieve my preferred color, I add enough water to fully cover the pasta. This is roughly 2 cups of water. Don't add too much water at this point because the pasta cooks very fast. You can always adjust the water as needed if the pasta is not fully cooked. I now add salt followed by sugar. I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar, but if you like yours sweeter, feel free to adjust the amount to your liking. I stir to combine, and once it's fully boiled, I turn the heat down and cook this covered until all the water is fully absorbed. When the water was absorbed, the pasta had not softened enough, so I added half a cup of water and cooked it covered on low until all water was absorbed. This was enough for the pasta to cook to my liking. The water is now fully absorbed into the pasta. It tastes amazing and it's cooked to perfection. As you see here, it's not stuck to the bottom of the pot due to the slow cooking method. I now turn the heat off and serve. For questions and suggestions, please write them down in the comments section below. And if you'd like to follow more of my simple recipes, subscribe and tap the notification bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.